Get it now.
That 3 o'clock to 3:30.
Thank you.
You have to walk all the way up.
Why do you have to walk?
We got the stairs.
Traveling at 10 miles per hour on this elevator. It takes 41 seconds to get to the observation deck, which is the 520 foot or the 158 meter level of the Space Needle. And we are currently undergoing a renovation called the Century Project, which is worth $100 million. World's first rotating glass floor on the restaurant level, 500 feet above the ground. Well, head right this way, everyone.
This is really cool, my love. The one in the luncheon. It's kind of like this.
Yeah, no, I think it's the same artist.
I think so. color, my love. My love. Yun na yung paggagala namin. So, pumunta kami sa club lounge. Hindi na ako nag-film doon kasi nahihiya ako. Tapos, meron akong na-meet na Filipina. Doon siya nagtrabaho. So, yun na rin yung paano namin pa-dinner. Meron lang naman sila doong salad, cheese, bread, tapos kunting dessert. Nag-beer tong asawa ko, ako nag-wine. Yun lang naman. Uuwi na kami bukas, but yung flight namin hapon pa, mga 7 o'clock ata. So, meron pa kaming time na maggala. So, bukas, pupunta kami sa Columbia Center. Sabi ni Garyot, yung asawa ko, yan daw yung pinaka-highest na building dito sa Washington, dito sa Seattle. Sabi niya, Seattle daw, they're known for their coffee shop. Tapos, nandito rin yung pinakaunang Starbucks. So, Starbucks started here. Hindi ko yun na-film, guys, pero parang nadaanan namin. Malapit siya sa public market. Na-flash ko dito kung anong year yung Starbucks nila, yung pinakaunang Starbucks. Pagkatapos namin doon pumunta sa public market, pumunta kami sa Space Needle. Tapos yung glass garden nila. Ang ganda nung glass garden nila. So, yun na, guys. So, bukas, I will try to vlog again sa Columbia Center nila. So, yun na yung ating vlog today. I hope to see you guys on my next vlog. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell for my future videos. And also, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe. And I think that's it, guys. So, I will see you in my next video. Bye! Malapit na siguro mag-sunset na.